Greetings, fellow investors and financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to WealthWise Academy, your go-to source for valuable insights on money management, personal finance, and investing. Today, we are thrilled to share with you an in-depth guide on how to achieve a significant financial milestone, how to save your first $100,000 fast. We understand that when you're just starting out on your investment journey, reaching that first $100,000 might seem like a daunting task. Those early gains can feel minuscule compared to the amount you could earn by working, making the accumulation process appear endless. However, fear not, for we have a treasure trove of tips and strategies that will set you on the fast track to financial prosperity. Imagine your portfolio as a snowball rolling down a hill. Initially, it may move slowly, but as it gains momentum, it begins to grow exponentially. The same principle applies to your investments. Once your portfolio reaches a certain size, it starts to snowball noticeably, making the next $100,000 come much quicker than you might expect. Before you know it, the first $1 million will arrive much earlier than anticipated. But, you might be wondering, how can you make this a reality? Well, you're in for a treat because we've compiled 5 or 6 fantastic tips that will revolutionize the way you approach saving and investing. So, sit back, grab a pen and paper, and get ready to take notes on these life-changing strategies. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more helpful videos like this one. Tip 5. Tax planning. Our journey towards financial prosperity begins with an exploration of tax planning. As you may not realize, taxes could be one of your most substantial personal expenses. However, you have the power to reduce this burden significantly. Delve into the world of tax-advantaged accounts, such as IRAs and 401ks, which offer the incredible advantage of tax deductions and tax-deferred growth. By utilizing these accounts, not only will you receive immediate tax breaks, but your savings will continue to grow tax-deferred, paving the way for faster growth on your path to $100,000. Tip 4. Take advantage of 401k matching. Now, let's unlock the power of employer 401k matching. Imagine your employer generously contributing a certain amount to your retirement savings plan based on the amount of your annual contribution. It's like getting an instant risk-free 50% return on your investment. This means that if you contribute up to your employer's match limit, you can supercharge your savings without breaking a sweat. Tip 3. Earn extra income for your investments. Earning more money is undoubtedly one of the most effective ways to save and invest more. However, frugality has its limits, and there's only so much you can cut back on expenses. That's where the magic of earning extra income comes in. We encourage you to explore the exciting world of side hustles or consider starting a small business. These ventures offer flexible schedules, allowing you to work a few hours on the weeknights or weekends, while significantly boosting the amount you can save. By earmarking this additional income for your investments, you'll witness your savings grow drastically without feeling deprived in your day-to-day life. Tip 2. Reinvest all dividends for maximum growth. Now, picture this. Dividends being deposited into your account, just for being a shareholder of a particular stock. It can be incredibly tempting to use that money for an indulgence or treat yourself to something special. After all, it feels like a payment was just made to you, right? But hold on. One of the most crucial moves you can make to skyrocket your returns in the stock market is to reinvest those dividends. Instead of taking the cash, plow those payments back into the same stock or fund that paid them. The result? A powerful compounding effect that can significantly boost your overall returns and expedite your journey to $100,000. Tip 1. Avoid the temptation of buying and selling based on emotions. Picture this scenario. Your investments experience a temporary dip, and fear creeps in. Panic-stricken, you decide to sell everything, hoping to limit your losses. However, here's the harsh truth. Trying to time the market is an uphill battle even for seasoned professionals. Most average investors who attempt this tactic end up buying back in at the wrong time, missing out on potential profits. Instead of giving in to the temptation of micromanaging your investments and worrying about every market shift, focus on the long term. Embrace the power of patience and resilience, and avoid the common mistake of buying and selling based on emotions. In conclusion, achieving your first $100,000 may seem like a daunting endeavor at first, but by implementing these 9 strategic tips, you will set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember, consistency, discipline, and a clear vision of your goals are the keys to unlocking your financial potential. Stay the course, remain focused, and you'll be astounded at how rapidly your portfolio grows. If you found this video valuable, we invite you to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights on money management, personal finance, and investing. At WealthWise Academy, we are committed to empowering you on your journey to financial freedom. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing.